Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist. So I just wanted to do a quick video showing you that we're doing a flat tow setup on this Ford Escape. I'm not sure what year it is offhand. It's getting a Roadmaster base plate, it's getting a Roadmaster brake light assembly, and the only thing different on it, it's also getting a Roadmaster tow bar. The only thing different on it is that the unit is actually getting per the customer request, he wanted to do the new CURT Shadow 2 brake control system. So this is the first time we've installed one of these systems. Zach had to go through and prep himself, read the instructions, and so far so good. We will let you know more on the outcome of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in doing a flat tow, make sure you come to California RV Specialist website. You can check out all the information required to get a vehicle set up for flat tow. You can contact the girls in the office and they'll be happy to help give you a system and quote you and guide you through different brands that we sell here. Primarily our #1 brand would be the Roadmaster kit, and then our secondary would be Demco, and then of course any other system of your choice, but we do prefer those two. And so stay tuned for more. And if you haven't checked us out on any of our social media platforms, we encourage you to do so. We also have a flat tow Facebook group that shows a lot of the different systems and units that we've installed. And then we also help those that are out there doing flat tows themselves. All right, thank you so much for watching. Dustin, your RV Specialist.